Hello everyone, this video recording will introduce to you the Acu-Corona COVID-19 PCR Detection Kit. Acu-Corona COVID-19 PCR Detection Kit comes in two boxes. There is a Kit A and a Kit B. The Kit A contains the Acu-Corona 4x reaction mix, which contains the reaction enzymes, reverse transcriptase, and the DNA polymerase Taqman in a mix. It also contains 6 tubes of nuclease-free water, and the Kit A should always be stored in cold temperature. For long-term storage, it should be in the -20-degree freezer. Now I would like to open Kit A for you to see the content. There are 6 tubes of the 4x reaction mix, and 6 tubes of nuclease-free water. Now we come to Kit B. In the Kit B box, contained inside is a pack of 6 PCR array plates. These plates are printed and dried with the primers and probes required for the COVID-19 PCR test. When you receive the pack, you will see that each of the PCR array is packed in the foil bag intact. When you open the foil bag, you will find inside the PCR plate that looks like this, with the primers and probes deposited and dried inside, and it is sealed with the foil. You can then open the foil and add in the RNA that you have extracted from the samples collected for the PCR, and of course you also need to add the PCR reaction mix. And in the same bag, it is also provided the film that will allow you to seal the PCR plates before you put into the PCR equipment for starting the reaction. Thank you.